Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. It's Pat of Kurt Skill Dreams. First off, I just want to thank all my subscribers, viewers, everyone for all the interest and the support. I really appreciate it. Things have been really, I haven't done a video in a bit. Things have been really busy here. The wife is transitioning. She gave her two days notice for her old job, so she's kind of doing some shifts at the new job. So she's switching over, transitioning to the new job. So she's been taking some extra shifts to kind of get familiar with the new place. So she's been working a little extra. I've been with the little one a little bit here, more than usual. So I haven't had time to come up and or I haven't made the time to come up even after she's in bed. I'm just tired and I just want to relax, you know. So yeah. Anyways, everything is good here. Like I said, just busy. And I hope everything is good with everyone else as well. I'm sorry I haven't been able to catch up with anybody's videos. I've caught the odd one here and there, and then I either get distracted and have to do stuff around the house or whatever, and we're fostering another puppy. So we now have 3 dogs in the house and a little puppy. She's so cute though. My wife said, I knew I shouldn't have brought her because she's really cute. Anyways, yeah. So anyways, let's get going on this video. We have, what do we have today? What is today? Oh yeah, model cars and coffee. Yeah. Oh yeah, as Dan says, nectar of the gods. I love that saying, by the way, Dan. I saved a little bit just for this video. So anyways, model cars and coffee. Thank you to Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds for hosting this and coming up with the idea. We still love it. I think everyone's running out of models. I'm not sure how it's going, but anyways, I am. I still got a few left, but I wanted to show this one because this one is really special to me. Significance is my uncle gave me this kit when I was because he knew I loved models, probably when I was about 13. Gave me the kit. It was already kind of painted. It was kind of put together, but parts were like, you know, missing and falling off. I never did rebuild it. I never did. I just kept it. I have it somewhere. I can't even. I looked for it and I couldn't find it. But excuse me, I have it somewhere. I have it somewhere. So anyways, so my uncle gave me this kit way back when. This is the kit. Okay, so one of his favorite cars. Rest in peace, Uncle. So yeah, anyways, so I wanted to build this for scale speed work. Mike put on the Mustang 60 group build a while back there, and so I built this for it. Really, just wanted a really kind of a simple, you know, being MPC. I did a curbside. It's kind of what I wanted to do with it. And that's what I did. So let's get you turned around. Let's have a look at this Mustang. And why am I looking over there? I don't know. So let's have a look at this. And I'm out of practice, obviously. Okay, turn you around. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so here it is. This is the MPC Boss 351 Mustang. I just wanted to show this stance here first that I got. So the Boss 351, this decal is from the kit. I got a second kit. So I used the decals from that. There's one on the back, one on the other side. These are painted on, the striping, and these are California wheels from one of the, I think, 67 Chevelle kit. It's just like a basic duplicolor red from the big cans. And I use these on the chrome on this one. I use these liquid chrome Zoot or whatever it is. These chrome pens that seem to work out really good. I thought it was, when I pulled it out of the case, you can see it's dulled a little bit right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. But it still looks good. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to change the angle just a little bit. Just so you guys can, I just wanted to show that stance. Okay, so, oh, hold on. Okay, so, now I remember this has a Newfoundland Labrador license plate. So I think it was the second, I can't remember if it's the second Mustang ever was sent there, or if it was the first. I can't remember. I did all this research when I built it, but anyways, I forget. I don't have a good memory. So anyways, I did like a racing style interior, just one seat, custom roll cage in there. Seat belts, obviously. Little switchboard in there. You can see that. Tack. Pretty simplified interior. Kind of messed up on my, oops, can't even see them, but my gauges. They turned out okay, but they were, when I redid the gauge face, I made it so that it pointed down instead of pointing straight at the driver's face. So it kind of points down a little bit. I didn't get the angle right when I made the face, but anyways, lesson learned. So anyways, like I said, I did the striping. I used this from, I think this was from the kit. This is just an extra piece I had in the parts box. I used the 73 AMT front bumper. This is from a 69, this piece here. The front end does look funky. This hood is not sitting properly. I glued the hood down. Like I said, it's a curbside. So here's our undercarriage. Nothing. This is wiring solder that I ran, and then I put my, of course, my aluminum tips. I had to cut out the wheel wells to get these tires up tucked in there. Like I said, just, you know, just a cool looking curbside. I think I achieved that. Of course, I took all the chrome off. UV resin for the lights, because the way the lenses fit into these things, because I cut this off. This was a piece, there was the honeycomb here in between these, and I cut that off. I just made these little surrounds, bezels or whatever. And so the kit lenses they just didn't fit right. Anyway, so I did my own lenses with UV resin. Little tow hook there. But overall, this was a really fun build. I really had fun in that Mike's 60s anniversary Mustang group build. A lot of fun. Yeah, the only thing I don't like about this model is the front end, but like I said, it holds significant value to me from getting this kit from my uncle way back when. And it's too bad he wasn't here to see it. So I would have loved to send this to him. But anyways, it's done. It got done. It looks cool. Really like how it looks, and I hope you do too. And hope everyone is doing well. Prayers for those who need them, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Pat out, model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.